You want to click picture like this? If yes, then watch this video till end. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Megapixel Beast, and today I am going to tell you about how to capture light painting from your smartphone. Light painting is an art of showing some concept with the help of light source. For light painting photography, you need smartphone and tripod. For this video, I am using this small car as a subject. Currently, every smartphone is having manual settings, so you can try the setting for light painting. Shutter speed should be 2 to 4 seconds. ISO should be 100 to 200. White balance in between 4000 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. If you don't know how to use this Pro mode, then head to my previous video. I have explained full details about how to use Pro mode. Here I want to add one tip, that use black sheet as a background. It will help to remove unwanted background elements from your photo. After applying the setting, switch off the lights to create a dark room. Place your subject as per your requirement. Now just paint whatever you want, and I am painting with this rainbow color. For light painting photography, you just need light source. Using a smartphone is an easy hack for this. Just set colorful photo as a wallpaper. You will get result like this. If you feel this video is helpful, then hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.